Hey, and welcome to Alphone. Yes, I have some amazing good news for you. I'm sure you have seen that before I asked you to deposit $100 to be a part of my live session. I thought maybe that is too much for some of you. So, so more people have a chance to learn from me and change their life to trade together with me. I have now changed this for $25. So now you just need to deposit $25. Sign up with the link you find below the video and you can be a part of my crew and let's trade together. I trade every single Monday and what I'm teaching you in this 1 hour in Mondays can change your life at Pocket Option. So I'm sure as you see this video, you are losing money today with Pocket Option. This can change your life. So just $25 or more. I have set so if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra, but you don't need to. You can now deposit just 25 and be a part of my crew. I'll now just show you a little teaser of what you can expect. So let's see here now. Basically when I'm trading, it's very simple to follow. Super simple. Anyone can follow and every trade I take, you can take together with me. So I do identify, I don't trade every support and resistance. Don't take this as a strategy like this. You will learn how to take out the good ones also. So for example, I will mark, for example, let's do a mark here. Let's take one mark around there. This is just an example. It's not a place I currently would have been trading. It's just examples so you understand how it would work with working together with me and how you would choose your trades. So I would, for example, in the live session say, if the bar come up to that region here, I will then push lower. And every time when I mark a specific area, this was not a super good one, but it's just an example. So if you go up here, if this bar come up, we would close it with 1 minute trade and push down when this bar come up here. Just one time, okay? There are no martingale, there are no like this. One trade, we are done. And also, I will also explain all the time why I take the trades, why I take the trend lines, why I don't trade where it can maybe looks good. You will learn all this from me in this 1 hour I trade every single Monday. Then I will give you some homework so you also can trade a little in the week after, from Tuesday to Friday. Don't trade Saturday and Sunday. We will try to stick away from OTC. This is an OTC market. We don't trade that. But this is, like I said, just an example. So now is your chance. Learn from me. I built this account myself from $100 up to almost 47,000. Also on another broker, I work it and I built up from $100 almost up to 80,000. So there you have it. And everything is done live, so people have been looking me while I've been trading and trading together with me. Now it's your chance, it's your turn, and it's your turn to have success with binary option. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today, make a deposit, and join me already in next Monday. I hope I see you there. Have an amazing day.